You are watching Beyond the News. Like, comment, and subscribe.
So that place about me, some thief in mechanic of Jamaica in a problem. The Jamaican mechanic there in a problem now because guess what? The facility a be a Chinese mechanic. Just look at it. State of the art facility just opened and down a machine and don't come in. And look at them. Any iron vehicle wanna have problem but we wanna can't find. Just look at it. It's just come out this morning and the man there in an engine already. Oil, service parts, and have to kill. New machinery. And a lot of them soon come. Any vehicle, as long as they have on 4 or 6 wheel or 10 wheel, you're ready for them. Low end to high end. See there? Everything then sort out. Service parts and rare. Yeah man, they're ready for everything. Any vehicle you have, any problem where you can't find. Then do electrical work, mechanical. And while you wait in a comfort and style.
To visit the Chinese mechanic then today. Easter Monday, and you wouldn't like to see the light.
Yo, the point that round the center, brother. Yo, brother, but I have with bomb. No, 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 the fuck you know that. Yo, but I have with come in the man. It's like a dog this with a station. The man with that brother. The man in a good condition.
Yo, the ladies have a single.
What's your name again now?
The man in a good condition.
Where's the camera now?
Hold up. Okay. Oh, safety there for me? No, it's true.
Good man.
Oh my God! Yeah, man.
Funny sir. Not yo, bro. Bomba clot. None. Yo, it disappear.
If Sean stamp passport in a coma or what? Me no know if him passport paralyzed or what. Me see America visa run, him no get none. England visa run, him no get none. Show keeping the Caribbean, him no there none of that. Probably him passport paralyzed. No, but when me I say, Sean Storm and one girl from Guyana, one look a sexy girl where I bust from her, I don't remember what she name was, Lola or something like so. Him and her do one song, and him go over there go shoot the video. So me I wonder if I both him travel upon her or what. Come swear me did see him and Matsus upon a flight. So that's why me I say, me no know if after that, him passport fall in a coma, or if him passport upon life support, or I don't know. See somebody say, Futa, you're simply asking what everyone else is thinking. I just the truth. Come me swear say perform too. Cause you me no over there, me no know what I go on. Me have to wait till somebody tag me or somebody send me a video. And when my friend them there on kartel, me no contact them. Me no link them. Me no come, me no want nobody feel like them a tell me nothing or me and them a communicate on my business board that. You understand? Me no business board that. Sharon Rennie and teacher apart, them a bridging without me. Me no have nothing to do with that. So me no link them, me stay out of them way, me stay far from them. You see me? When me and them apart, same thing. We talk about our business and where we are dealing. But me find it weird. But Shawn get to half of the case like cartel, right? Some of them think him a report and him have to hand in a passport and him so. I don't know if down to Niger boy can see something alright here so. If we wanna say a true, and Shawn Storm really not perform on the show last night. Him not perform at Tortola, him not perform at Bahamas. Even Niger boy can see something alright. Alright, watch how Shawn I go jump out and can trace footer height now. I drop B award, watch. Watch. How much you know it? Look from when you see him on social media I say no.
You get up at that boy, you make my father rich. Make yourself rich now. Every day you get up and call people near me do this, me do that. Why you can't do it for yourself all now? Why is it that you cannot do it for yourself all now? You ever hear me get up and talk how much things me do for people yet? Eh? All when me do, how much things me do for you ever hear me get up and talk it yet? You not discredit it. Brother, live your life now. You not say you make my father rich. Go and go make yourself rich now, brother. From where you getting up, you get up with this narrative. You make my father rich and rate. My youth, what you do for my father? What you do for my father? Talk the truth. What you do for my father? If you really sit down and say, yeah, talk, what you do for my father? Play a song? Go play some song? A night time? Huh? What? What you do for my father? What you do for him? Are you make him have the house on the hill? Are you make him have all of them something there? Okay, so what me would I say then? I mean give me more lime career then. And him for mind me till me head. I saw no stay on a love man mine no. I saw you stay from long time. That's why you lose I Shana. Cause you love likes and love man things. I saw you stay from long time. You love things and you love likes. And you feel like say, if you go play one song for one man, you deserve the world. See I walk I tell the world, so I'm over there for mine you till you. I'm over there for mine you. Like what the f? Come on bro. Come on for internet brother and stop call up people name. You understand me I say? Especially young people who are not good bro. Why aren't somebody do good and you go up on internet go call them name G? Nobody no remember you over here. Nobody remembers you.
The DPP Miss Paula Llewellyn. I mean I live upon her. But the DPP Miss Paula Llewellyn and SSP Radcliffe Lewis. Perfect couple. But you know I have to be careful about how I talk about the DPP, you know. Because after I put her on the ugliest woman list, the ugliest woman alive, ugliest Jamaican woman list, may not get arrested. I mean, I don't know if she had a hand in ruling on whether or not I should be arrested. I don't know. This is mere speculating. I'm not saying it is so, but I know she made a recommendation that before persons are charged under the Cyber Crimes Act, they should consult her office first. So I don't know if that was what happened, but I have to tread lightly when it comes to Miss Paula Llewellyn now. However, she and SSP Radcliffe Lewis, me not tell a lie, them match. Who no match? The only thing I would advise against is you two having a child. Don't have no baby. It would not be a very pretty baby. If you don't have a baby, that child would not be very beautiful or handsome. Tommy Chin and Wayne Marshall. Perfect. Except for the fact that Chinese usually not go for black people. So I don't know how Tommy Chin find Wayne Marshall so attractive. But them seem to be working and they publish their entire life and affairs and their living and everything over the media. So the only thing I pick up is that Tommy Chin seems like she can be a little bossy. Like most women want to rule a man for some strange reason. But Tommy Chin and Wayne Marshall, oh, they're perfect for each other. Another couple that is perfect for each other is Agent Sasko and his wife Nicole. They are equally yoked. They're equally yoked. They're both intelligent people. Both seem to have good conversations, things to talk about. They're not the type of couple that you could look at and say, the woman went for the man because of money. Because Nicole came from a pretty decent family. I mean, yes. And wanna give me a minute, Me I go get into the unequally yoked couples right after this, So stay tuned. Romain Virgo and his wife Elizabeth. They seem like such decent folks. The traditional, typical family life that is now missing from this modern world. Romain Virgo and his wife Elizabeth are setting an example for the rest of us to follow. Congrats, guys. Congrats. Christopher Martin and Cecile. Oh, they seemed pretty much made for each other, but it didn't work out. I don't know what went wrong, but however, it wasn't a mismatch. Wasn't a mismatch, any of God Almighty at all. And right now, they still have a very good relationship, even doing songs together, taking care of their child together and so on. So, and Cecile is a friend of mine, Cecile, I'm a friend. Big up yourself, Cecile. I wonder who you're seeing now. You're really not my type. I'm not going to lie. You wouldn't be the one for me. Cecile, and you're a beautiful girl. Nothing is wrong with you. You're just not my type. So I don't know. But I wonder who you're seeing now, Cecile. Anyway, my type is really this lady here. Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty. And 119. We have so much in common. The two of we nose big. You can imagine when we're gonna kiss. If me and Miss Kitty gonna kiss, when we have to move we nose out of the way. The two of we belly big too, the original Miss Kitty. My belly big and your belly big, so I mean, if we can't meet, you can't meet in the middle, but I don't have a problem meeting big belly women in the middle, so it shouldn't be a problem. Not a problem at all. We have a lot in common. Miss Kitty and 119 and the gentleman she's with now. Awesome. They're not much. They're not much at all. Look for me and Ariasa. Look how it two we just look like a peas in a pod. Miss Jamaica World, Lisa Hanna, and her husband, her very wealthy husband, Mr. Richard Lake. Mr. Richard Lake is the owner of Popeye's Burger King, owns some farm, own, but they donut place name there again, in New Donut Place, all kind of thing, Liquor Caesars, own all kind of thing, farms and all kind of businesses. But for some reason, I just can't picture Lisa Hanna standing up somewhere and Mr. Lake walking by and Lisa saying, "Oh, what a handsome chap, what a nice chap. He's the perfect man for me." I just can't see that. I don't know. I don't think that Lisa would look on somebody like me, for example. Lisa is Miss Jamaica World, pretty, one of the prettiest women, pretty, hot. And she chose a man who is much older. I don't know that if he wasn't a wealthy man, if Lisa would look at him. I honestly don't know. And I'm making no accusations. I'm not saying she's no gold digger or anything like that. No, sir. Lisa Hanna is not a gold digger. She wouldn't do something like that. But I don't know. I don't think that she would look on a broke man still. Anyway, Popcorn and another beauty queen, Tony and Sing. No, sir. That was a match made in mismatch hell. Tony and Sing, hot, bright girl, hot, beautiful, bright girl. Would you look on a guy like Popcorn if Popcorn was the famous star? Nah, that never worked out. I don't want to go on with that anyway. The Olympian Bridget Hilton and her husband, Mr. Patrick Hilton. Patrick Hilton, he earns a lot of money. He has a lot of money from NCB. Remember? He has a whole heap of money. He gets some big, massive salary. I think. Mr. Hilton is not a very handsome man. And he's not a very, his physique is not up there neither. So I don't know what Bridget would see in him. And him have some elephantitis foot there. Patrick Hilton, his foot them big like when you go to St. Thomas and you come back with big foot. That's how his foot then look. No, sir. Patrick Hilton, he's not a very attractive man at all. So we don't know end up with such a nice, beautiful, hot wife. Vybz, Kartel, and Sidem. Me no matter when nobody wants to say they no match. Sidem and Kartel not go together at all. Them coming like kerosene oil and gas trying to mix. Two different things. And remember that if Kartel wasn't a star, Sidem wouldn't see him. She said herself that she was a groupie. She was obsessed with him. So that's, no, sir. Sidem, Kartel no match. Me not tell a lie. Simone, Clark, Cooper, and Neville. Not Neville. George. 119.